Arratsaldeon, eta eskerrik asko denoi etortzeagatik. My name is Ruben, and I'm the CTO of Nabla Wind Power, and this afternoon we are going to have a very short presentation of what we've done with our partners of Algo Engines, and represented here by Mr. BIHAV GUPTA, Head of Business Development. Very easily, because we want this to take no more than 10 minutes, I will make a short introduction of Nabla, and then this gentleman will make a short introduction of his company. Nabla Wind Power, we are an independent engineering focused in extending the useful life of wind farms in operation. Wind farms normally are designed to last 20 years under some design conditions held in the design regulation that normally are too conservative. In the reality, the site conditions are softer, so after 20 years, the structures have not accumulated all the fatigue that they were supposed to accumulate, so they can last more time and you can extend the life. But how much? How many years? This is what we've come to answer. This was the idea we had in our mind when we launched the company in 2014. We entered the market in March 2014 with a team of one, me. Then we were 3, and now we are 10. And we've done 182 assessment of wind farms, and now we are leading the market competing with the largest companies such as GUPTA. I mean, 11,000 people, and we are competing with them. So that's good. In this process of the company, we met also Algo Engines because we detected that we could do things together.
Yo soy BIHAV GUPTA. Buenas tardes. Algo Engines provides operational intelligence for wind turbines, solar plants, hydroelectric power plants, and other energy generation Internet of Things. The goal of our platform is to help asset owners leverage real-time monitoring, performance analytics, and reduce downtime by predictive analytics, and thereby increase revenue for their assets by 3 to 10%. We've been established in 2014 as well, in the same year as Nabla, and we now manage over 3,000 megawatts of energy assets on our platform. We were lucky to be the only Indian startup, and from what I understand, still are the only Indian startup in the BIHAV 4.0 edition. And through that process, we met Nabla Wind Power and realized we have complementary skill sets which we can work together and provide a better solution to the market.
Okay. Regarding the startups, General Electric still say that they are a startup, so who knows? From what we've learned in the market and the things that we've been doing, assessing and helping the owners, all main utilities, etc., for extending the life, then certainly these companies, these clients of us, have stepped into the digitalization of their assets, understanding how the assets are performing and creating their dashboards, their data analytics tools to understand if they are performing well, detecting misperforming assets and trying to anticipate problems that will improve the operation and maintenance and reduce costs, okay? This has been done in using the existing platforms that were available in the market, and many organizations have stepped in using their big data, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence algorithm, taking a lot of parameters from the data records of the turbines. But understanding that this is also brand new, they've stepped into some difficulties, and some of our clients were saying to us that the pure big data thing is not delivering the results that were expected. We were smelling this taste last year, and we stepped in and proposed to Algo Engines to do together one hybrid data analytics tool, which is combining the big data with the physical modeling that Nabla is doing. In the end, the wind turbines are physical monsters, are ruled 95% by physics, and if you have the good understanding of the physics behind, and you have the good aeroelastic models, and you have the understanding of the design behind this, and Nabla comes from the turbine manufacturers, then we can sum our competences together in this hybrid data tool. This is now something that the market is watching, and at the moment there are only 2 applications or 2 platforms worldwide, one done by this large 11,000 people organization, and the other from our side.
Yes, so from leveraging Nabla's expertise in physical modeling and leveraging our expertise in IoT data analytics, so Algo Engines has the ability to integrate with different data sources that are available in a wind farm. So you have data from wind turbines, you have data from SCADA, you have data from electrical substations. So we have the capability of leveraging all of those data together on a single platform. We also have expertise in data analytics and machine learning that got us together in building a smart data dashboard, which only, as Ruben mentioned, is done by 2 companies worldwide.
So the first thing was to sit together and detail the scope of the project to be done and the parts that we were doing and our overlaps. This took us several months because the concept to the market was brand new, and at the moment nowhere apart from other ones are stepping in. So we defined things pretty well, and after thinking and planning came the moment of execution, which we've been executing and driving the architecture of the tool for last months.
Yes. So for the past few months, what we are doing right now is we are building a tool for life expectancy modeling, a data analytics tool that would do that. We are also building dashboards that a user or an asset owner can see and understand how his asset is performing. We are expected to provide first set of dashboards in January of this year. And once the product we believe is ready for market, we will be doing a pilot of our solution in a wind farm and see how it is working for them and make changes as we go along.
Okay. So this is our goal, and in the meantime we have had several experiences. The experiences that we have had with Algo Engines have been very good because they, as a startup, they understand that the small organizations, we have the strength of the mouse. So if we don't run very fast, we are not able to click the market. So they are proactive, they have initiative, and they are very fast in providing solutions that work. They are efficient.
We've also had a very similar experience with Nabla, although Nabla is a part of Group Alcor, but as Ruben mentioned, they too are a startup started by Ruben himself in 2014. The experience of working together provided us with the opportunity of understanding how physical models and data analytics can merge together to provide a solution that provides more value to an asset owner. A data analytics solution provides value, we understand, but when you mix it with physical models, the value provided is much more higher, and we've learned that along our journey. We've also understood how do wind farm operators in Spain and especially Europe work. Our interactions have helped us understand what are the pain points for asset owners in wind industry here, and we are learning along the curve. We also expect a huge amount of learning when we roll out a pilot next year that would give us insights on how our solution is actually working and what can we do along with Nabla and provide a better solution to the market and provide, as a startup, which is a very good feeling, more intense competition to DNVGL.
And this is it. I promised this was to be short so that you don't fall asleep. Thank you very much.